Kalimera, good morning from sunny Milos. We got here late last night, and this island is known for its beautiful landscapes. It's got beautiful beaches and its diverse volcanic landscapes, and we're actually going to go check out one of the most famous tourist attractions from this island, Sarakaniko Beach. And we've actually found out from Adamantas, where we're staying, the main port town, is they do a bus for €2, and we're just making our way there now, and we're going to get the bus and we'll show you when we get there. Right guys, we just made it to the famous volcanic landscape of Sarakaniko Beach, and it is really cool. It is almost moon-like, isn't it? So a lot of high-end designer brands have actually had photo shoots here. Louis Vuitton, Prada. You can see why with this lunar-like white backdrop. Quite an exotic landscape, isn't it, Kit? It's definitely a must-visit if you're in Milos.
I think definitely get the bus as well. I imagine the taxi would be very expensive.
Looks like there's good snorkeling down there. One good thing as well, if you're bringing your kids here, it's not all dramatic rocks and big drops. There is actually a small shallow beach here that you can walk in.
That is what I will be using. I'm not a small child, but this is what I need. Oh, look at the fishes.
Really nice clear water here. I'm actually glad as well, because I thought it was going to be busier than this.
Yeah, me too.
Obviously it's one of the main tourist attractions on the island, and for a good reason, because it is beautiful here, isn't it?
I think most people are just walking around though. And there is a lot of it as well. It's not like it's small.
Yeah, it's not a compact place, it's very spread out, isn't it? To be honest, I've never seen a beach like this. It is mad. It's made from volcanic eruptions. Look at that water. Big fish there as well.
Can I go? That's the thing, how do you know if anybody's coming or not?
Get someone to tell you, ain't there? Right, I'm going to go for the high one.
Yeah. No, do this one first. How was it?
Yeah, it was great. Go for the top one now.
God. Do you want me to give middle first?
Hey?
Do middle first.
No, they're in the middle. I'm going straight for the top.
I'm not going to look forward to this.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. It just looks scary. Don't blame him. Bloody hell.
Right guys, we've just sat in this taverna now, HAMOS, and it's very famous here. The menus are all handwritten, which is really nice. And I read the story how it's all traditional, family run taverna, has been open since February 1993. And yeah, they actually let people write on the chairs in here as well. Right, so I've just gone for a local beer. I've got a Sirma, which is local to Milos. I had one last night. They actually have a few different types. The one I had last night was different to this, but it's Sirma being brewed on Milos. But the one I had last night was a real. So let's try this one. HAMOS. is nice and refreshing. Brought some local goat's cheese out for us. The service here has been really good so far. We haven't been here long, have we? But it's a nice taverna, good vibe in here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nicely decorated as well. I've gone for a... Oh, they only had local Coke. Can you pass that over, please?
We've got a local Coke, yeah.
Is it Lux or no? Oh no, it's local. So let's see what that's like. Nice.
Oh, is it
it's
good?
more cinnamony than normal Coke. Nice though. I like it.
Wow. That's better than normal Coke, isn't
You know
it?
what I mean?
Yeah, I prefer that to normal Coca-Cola. So I asked the waiter what he recommended, so I've gone for the pork chop, I've gone for the lamb chops. I've gone for the lamb chops that are from the flock that are owned by the family here. So it's really straight from the farm to your plate here. So our HAMOS Greek salad just come out. Looks good.
Yeah. Oh, and they've got this colour olive in them. That's so nice. I prefer green ones, personally.
The olives are really juicy, aren't they? And the lamb chops are out. They look incredible, to be fair. Nice bit of lemon on the top. Go on, Kit, taste test.
That's
good.
so good.
Right, let's have a try then. Carnivore style HAMOS.
Yeah, I'm not about the knife, but
Oh, wow. Banging.
I cook perfectly.
Very tender, yeah. Right guys, we're going to smash this off and we'll get back to you after. HAMOS. Right, that was an amazing meal at HAMOS. That was definitely the best lamb chops I've ever had. It was so good, wasn't
It
it?
was so good. I could eat it all again, but I'm so full. It was unreal.
Really nice meal here. I'll definitely recommend it if you're in HAMOS. I'd definitely recommend coming here for some food because that was really good, wasn't it? We're going to get the bill, we're going to go down the beach, chill out for a bit, and we'll see you in a bit. Right guys, we've just got to the beautiful Plaka, which is one of the towns in Milos.
There's a folk museum.
Yeah, there's a folk museum just up there, yeah. The folk museum of Milos. And we're just going to make our way now to the main church. Apparently there's a nice cafe where you can get ice cream, so we're going to get ice cream and have a look at the church.
Watch the sunset.
And watch the sunset, yeah.
We haven't actually watched the sunset properly since we've been here, have we?
I have a few times on the beach and stuff.
Do you know how to fish that?
Yep.
Do you? I don't know.
It's really nice up here. It's very different. It's a very different scene from down at the port in HAMOS. It's nice and quiet. So Plaka in Greek means old town. This is the oldest town in Milos. And I'm looking forward to the view. Apparently the view from the church is really nice, so I'm looking forward to getting up there. Wow, this looks nice. What are you looking at?
Taking selfies in the mirror.
Oh. Some very old looking buildings here. Beautiful. Castro up here. Didn't know Castro means castle in Greek. I like it up here, so far it feels very chilled, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Feels quite quintessentially Cycladic, the architecture wise. So you've got your typical white buildings, haven't you?
It's got greenery though.
Yeah, it's a lovely Greek village. Well, I say village, this is actually the chief town in Milos. It's quite nice up here though, isn't it? It's very different atmosphere than down at the port, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is
Got
called...
more, like, smaller traditional
Yeah, I like it. Feels very authentic Greek up here.
Yeah.
Not just like tourist mayhem, does it?
That would look nicer.
I imagine, is that the church up there, I believe? Mosaic cocktails. It's a classic Greek scene up there. Cafe here that people are queuing to get into. I love these narrow cobbled Greek streets. So back in the day, these streets were made like Kalispera. Back in the day, these streets were made like that to confuse pirates, so they'd just get lost in the winding alleyways.
That must be the one. It has probably has a
Beautiful view. Gyros up there, crepes. While I'm walking through these beautiful streets, I'm just going to tell you a quick fact at the start. So the iconic statue, the Aphrodite of Milos, you've probably all seen it, the Venus de Milo, that's on display in the Louvre in Paris, was actually discovered on this island. I don't know why it's in Paris. It should be on display in Greece really, shouldn't it? It's an ancient Greek statue. But this church is absolutely stunning. Oh yeah. Wow. Beautiful sunset, isn't it?
Mm.
See all the farmland there as well, the olive,
It's
all
nice
the
from
olive
sea
groves.
as well. It's so like mystic out there, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Look at all the people up there on the castle now. Just see a load of legs dangling off, can't you?
I took a picture of that.
Did you?
I did.
We're just watching the sun go down with our new friends from Boston. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, we've been bumping into these guys all day. By coincidence.
From beach to bus.
We still haven't got it.
We've seen you. We've seen you in 3 different places, haven't we? Sarakaniko,
Yeah.
Adamas, and now up here, Blackout.
Yep.
You know how the old people are.
Yeah, we get around. When you show up in Boston, you won't be surprised.
I would like to go to Boston, I would.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hit us up if you come to Boston.
yeah, I will do, and you can show us around. Definitely. What a day that's been in Milos. Just having a refreshing surma, which is beer made from honey from the Island of Milos. We've got a nice picture here, that's either of Mandrakia or Klima, I can't tell, it's one of the beach, the fishermen where they keep their boats. It's really cool. What you got, Kit?
I've got what I think will be close to like a pina colada, but it's got like passion fruit and stuff in it as well. I'm intrigued to try that.
This beer is absolutely lovely. I had it yesterday for the first time. I didn't record last night when we got here, but it's amazing. It's got a really nice honey taste to it.